As you can see, I'm starting by taking my croissant and making some slices all the way in the center of this croissant, enough so you can open it up just like this and you see all of those slices, so be sure not to cut them all the way through. Then we'll just go ahead and we're going to transfer it right here on our baking sheet. Here I have some melted butter, adding a little bit of minced garlic right here into our melted butter. I'm gonna add a really nice amount of garlic to this because I love garlic. Okay, that looks great. Now a little bit of thyme, sprinkle, I don't know, a few pinches, I'd say, gives it really, really good flavor. And of course, some oregano. Ooh, these flavors complement each other so well. Now let's just stir that all together. Ooh, you got the garlic in there. Smash up that butter. Oregano, thyme. This is smelling so savory and delicious here. Okay, that looks great. Grabbing our crescent rolls and a little bit of shredded cheese, we're gonna come in and we're gonna open up these crevices just like this, and you just wanna push that cheese, right in the center of the crescent roll. So just spread it apart, get it all inside. We are done stuffing away our cheese. Now let's go ahead and grab that buttery mixture and exactly stir it up. Some of the garlic might have settled all the way to the bottom, so you just want to stir it up. And I'm gonna kind of just bring it all down, and I'm gonna lightly, it's almost like I'm not really brushing it. I'm more kind of just like patting it. And if you can see, just the way the butter is like dripping down on the sides of this crescent roll. It's just like dripping all down on there.
Yum.
Yeah, I know. This is gonna make the crescent roll even more like golden brown and buttery and so good. Okay, I just see all of this garlic coming on these and I can just smell it. It's gonna go so good with the cheese. The butter I can see is like dripping in to those slices that we made in the crescent roll. You see that? Oh my gosh. And shoot, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna drizzle it right here over the top. And I'm just gonna get all that last bit of butter right on these crescent rolls.
Wow.
Ooh, yes.
Yum.
All right, folks, look at that. We are on a roll, and you're gonna love the way that these look when they turn out, and they're gonna be so cheesy and so good, and I just happen to be so hungry, so I'm pretty stoked about this. I'm gonna stick them in the oven at 350, cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes, and they're gonna get nice and golden brown, and ooh, I'm gonna bite right into them. Wow. Do I even need to say anything? Look at how delicious those look. Yum. The whole house, no joke, was like smelling like garlic. Look at all of that butter. It's crispy on the outside. Ooh, let's just come in here and put that right on our plate. Oh, these look fantastic. Oh my gosh, you guys, would you eat these with something, or would you just straight up make these and eat them just like this? I don't know. These look pretty darn good. Should I clean off the edges or should I just... I want to dig right here into this one. Wow, look at how you can see all of the cheese and all of the butter in those places that we stuffed them. Oh my gosh, how cheesy that looks. So good, and I can just see all the flavor right in there. Ooh, I know I'm really gonna enjoy this. Wow. I'm not even kidding. Best type of garlic bread that I've ever had in my entire life. Seriously, no joke. This is delicious. I love how everything is inside of this. You could just eat this by itself for sure. Actually, that's exactly what I'm gonna do today for lunch. But if you had this for a side, I don't know, what would you eat this with? Some type of a pasta or, salad even? Oh my gosh, I have so many ideas now. Oh my gosh, you guys, what would you do with these? Would you try these? You would definitely not be disappointed. Highly recommend.